Hey guys, I'm back. How you all doing? Today we're going to continue on with our new series. We're going to continue on with some more stone and brick installation. But before we start this video, I want to give you a walkthrough of where we are on this project, what we've done so far, and what we're about to do in today's video. So let me give you a tour of the entire walkthrough of this project. I'll also take you over here where Mr. Chris is making his mortar. Mr. Green is setting up his plank up top. Let me give you a walkthrough, man. The federal white mortar that we're using right here. We use our bucket as our measurement, so we count. I think it's 5 shovels full the bucket of sand. So that way we can keep a consistent ratio as we go. We have Green up here. Meanwhile, the mortar is mixing, setting up. So this is the area where we're about to work today. So Green is up there just preparing the area where he's going to be working. Yesterday, Green worked over that wall over there. I was here setting up this soldier coast. It was a bit difficult. You can check the video if you haven't already. Check it out. Is we have like 1 inch overhang. So up top there we have to sew with brick ties right across. We have to put a whole bunch of brick ties right across to support it. Also underneath here, I just see I strap a piece of 2x4 right across just to help to support it until it's dry properly with all those brick ties that we put inside there. You see I use two lines, one at the bottom, one at the top. So we already finished this side section here. So we have stone, and we have the brick hunting up there. Okay guys, so I show you what we're about to do, what we have done so far. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. It's gonna be a fun video today.
Listen guys, I'm gonna give you a little bit of preview as to how you lay the mass before you put your bricks. Simple, you're gonna be shaking and pull. Shake, shake and pull. That's what it is. Shake, shake and pull. Shake, shake and pull. Now that last in the mass, just flash them in and you're like that. Then you have to spread your mass, making sure all the brick is full with mass. Then you clear your cavity and clean the front of your mass, your line, wherein you keep your trowel exactly in line with your line. Exactly in line with your line. Okay? Not like this, not under the line. Because you're going to be moving the mortar from off the brick. Now we're going to be putting the brick, making sure don't touch the line. Go to the side and to the top to butter back your brick with the same mass. Now we come down to the where we shoot the brick from the sides. We butter the top, push it in. And though it doesn't matter, you still have to use your slicker. You still have to use your slicker even though you butter the brick. Don't just use your jointer. Make sure you use your slicker. Here we go again. Shake, shake, and pull. Beginners, right? You go up. You use the same, like I said, keep your trowel straight to the line. Shake and pull. All depends on the amount of mass you have on your trowel, okay? Shake, shake and pull. Shake, shake and pull. And like I said, if you realize you don't have enough mass at certain areas where you shake and pull, when you clean your mass from the brick, you can fill that area. Like I said, as a beginner, it will take some time for you to really get into the groove of doing things the proper way. Will follow through. Okay, there we go again, another course. I like to clean my lines. Now we're going to be cutting the brick right here because we're going to be putting the light box. So we won't put a full brick here because the light block is taking the space of the brick itself. So make sure wherever the light box is situated, it's in the center of the wall. Tester is Portuguese and header is generally English, so you know. Some people say tester, some people say header. It's the same thing. Always make sure this sits on some mass, regardless of what. Then we're going to be using another tester on this side to complete the band. So the band stops here. So you're going to be using a tester here to complete the band. Then you start with a full brick again.
Which is very bricky.
Yeah. So it's brickly. Yes, sir. Like I said, follow these little precepts in doing the bricks. Eventually, you will become a very good bricklayer where they can pay you $2 an hour, right? That's how it is. I like to clean my trowel on the brick. I don't like too much mass on my trowel. Now it comes to another area where we're going to be putting We're definitely going to be putting the light box again. So we got 2 light boxes in this garage. Okay. And they're always placed in the center of the garage. Okay. It's 2 garage. We're going to be placing it in the center of each garage, right? Now, like I showed you before, you have to follow the band. You have to follow the band. So the band is here. So you make sure you have a brick cut to reach a band so that when you start the next brick, you're lined up. Okay. I love this neighborhood. I wish I could afford a house here. Oh, this is the Royal York area. Royal York and Lawrence area. Very nice neighborhood. Yeah. This is where we are, and that's where we finish. Do another course.
Bring it come, it go hot again.
You make a shed for it last couple of days ago, right?
Here we can. 1 minute to stop it.
Yeah.
How many do that?